Alright guys, Greenbird here. I hope everyone is doing awesome. It's super windy here, so I apologize if that comes through in the sound, and also I apologize that this is so far away because I can't get my camera any higher. It's already blown over twice already, so I figured maybe if I back it up a little bit you guys can still see what's going on. But I have another unboxing here from my good friend Leonardo, somebody who I had sent some scrap chips, little flakes of flint and stuff like that. And he made some beautiful points out of it and used it for a very good reason, a very good purpose, I guess is a better way to put it. He has a group of kids that he's teaching to flint knap, and boy does it make me feel good that I can have anything to do with anybody learning this art and this skill, and maybe being able to someday pass it on to another generation. So without further ado, I'm going to try and keep everything down low here because I don't have a very good view of what the viewfinder in the camera sees. I can see it like pretty good right now because there's cloud cover, shadows coming across, and actually it's not even that as windy as it was before, so let's just get to it. I don't have a flint flake on me, so I'm just going to use my knife, and my knife is in dire need of needing to be sharpened, because I've been bad and I've been using it for starting fires, because I've been teaching my daughter, and I use the back edge of my knife, but as you can see, I need to grind that off a little bit so it's whatever that black coating on isn't there, and it scrapes a little easier. But I let her use the knife, so it needs to be sharpened. Right. So I don't know what this is. It's very light, so I can't imagine what this would be. That's bad. Don't ever do that. Try not to let my trash get blown away. You still see what's going on here? So I've been super busy, so I haven't posted a lot, and I've had some personal stuff going on. I just haven't really felt like posting, so we'll get back on track here shortly. Oh, I think I have an idea what this might be. Before I open it, I just want to make sure I'm not tossing anything away. Okay. And I'll give that box a good look through later. Should I shake it like Christmas? I don't think I should. My goodness, Leonardo. You certainly did a good job taping this shut. You tape your boxes like I do. But it made it here in one piece, so I guess I should go get a flint flake because this knife isn't really cutting it. See what I did there? Alright. Oh yeah, I know what this is. I should have brought scissors. I should have known. See, you tricked me, Leonardo. You tricked me. Oh, look at this. I was thinking maybe points, but then I thought, why would the box be so big? Look at those. Those are just absolutely gorgeous. So I don't think all of this material is material that I sent him. In fact, I know it's not. So let's get a little bit closer here, give you a close-up view. So look at those points. So we got this one down in the corner, that's Burns Green. For sure, without a doubt. That could have come from me. And then some mahogany obsidian up there. Two nice little birdies. And this obsidian up here, I can't tell if it's just the sun or if there's some sheen in there, but it looks like maybe a scrap of rainbow, actually, as I tilt it. And we're going to go all the way around. Looks like Flint Ridge right there. If it came from me, it's Flint Ridge. It could be Jasper if it came from someone else. Looks like some Georgetown right there. And then that is some Coastal Plains chart. or river candy, I guess some people call it. But right there in the middle, that big one, I don't know what that is, Leonardo. You're going to have to tell me what that is. That's not a material that I've worked before. I don't think, anyway. It looks like a jasper of some sort to me. But let me know, or if anybody watching this video knows what it is, go ahead and throw it in the comments. And thank you so much, Leonardo. I'm going to cherish this. I'm going to have to find a place to put it. And let's see, can I hang it, or do I need to make some adjustments to it? Oh, look at the back. I can hang that, or I can maybe even, I don't know, maybe I could even make like a little stand for the back, but that's awesome. So now I have some of your work. I have a couple more shadow boxes of a few other folks that have sent me some stuff that I need to get finished, and I'm going to have a beautiful display for my computer area. So anyway, I hope everybody's doing well, staying safe, staying happy, spending time with your family, doing all the things that really are important. And until next time, this is Paleo Greenbird signing out.